So now we're going to prepare our strap elastic. So this is the strap elastic. It has a glossy, shiny side and a plush side. So the plush side would go against our body. So the shiny side will face outside. So we need to cut 2 strips of about 10 inches long each. So it's about half of this. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold it into 2 and just snip it. So you should have 2 rings and 2 sliders. I'm going to pick up the sliders first. Okay. So with the plush side facing up, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to slide it through one of the holes. And then come back through the other one. And I'm just going to do a stitch to secure. Okay. So I'll go ahead and do the other one. So this is the plush side facing up. I'm going to slide it through one of the holes. I'm going to come back on the other hole. So I try to make them the same length. Okay. Then I can go to the machine and just stitch this down. Okay, just one stitch down. So now that we have secured this end of the strap elastic, I'm going to put in the ring. So this is plush up. I'm just gonna put the ring in on the free end, slide it. And I'm gonna come back to the slider and start through the slider. We'll do it for the second one. So you slide the ring through. And then the free end has to go through the slider again. So we have the strap elastic ready. So this is the bra. I'm going to attach the strap elastic to the back. So let me turn this around. Okay, and I'm gonna flip out. I'm gonna start with this back band first. So I need to mark about 1.5 inch in from the edge, or 4 cm. So and I can do the same for the other side. with the strap elastic that we've prepared just now. So the plush side should be on the inside. So with the plush side up, I'm going to place the elastic this way, and you have to secure it at the top and the bottom. So the shoulder straps have been applied to the back band. Now I'm going to take out the hook and eye and apply them to the back band. So before I do that, I need to make sure I trim off any excess elastic that's sticking out. So I need to look from the inside. I'm going to flip the band this way. In that position, the eye goes on this side. So that is like a pocket in the eye. You kind of pry open it and you fit this, slot it in and sandwich it in between the eyepiece. You can do a straight stitch or you can do a zigzag stitch to secure. So the eye has been applied to this side of the band. Now I'm going to attach the hook on the other side. So this is the wrong side of my bra. So you're going to lay your band that way and the hook will be facing up with the free end pointing to the inside of the bra. So there is a pocket which you can slot your band in, and you can either choose to do a straight or zigzag stitch to secure. So you have the eye and then the hook, and they come together. The next thing I want to do would be the shoulder straps. We do have the front shoulder straps that's made out of the foldable elastic. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is we need to level it. So lay it flat, then trim off. So we have to fit the foldable elastic. We have to feed them through the ring, and we will have to secure it at this end. So that's one strap complete, and I'll do the same for the other side. So the straps are completed. Now the last thing we're going to do is to insert our underwire in the channeling. So the first thing we want to do is to secure the top of the channeling at the center front. I'm going to take the opportunity to also secure the power bar and the cup together using a diagonal stitch at this position as well as that. So now I have secured the front end of the channeling and also secured the power bar to the cup. I'm going to just trim away the excess channeling in the front. So take out your underwires. There is a marking. This should be facing the center. So I should be slotting it in this way. Make sure you're inside the channel. So the one with the marking should be in the center. So all we have to do now is to secure the two ends of the channeling and trim off any excess channeling that's sticking out. And that concludes our tutorial on the Black Beauty bra using Admarine Irene's pattern as well as her Duoplex bra kit.